Are you curious to know what opportunities Longtail UX can uncover for your website? Wondering what the Lux customer acquisition platform looks like plugged into your site? Or how some of the world's largest e-commerce businesses are scaling with hyper-relevant multi-product Lux Smart Pages? Hi there, I'm Andreas, co-founder of Longtail UX, and I want to invite you to a 45 minutes customized product demo with one of our customer acquisition experts. In your tailor-made demo, we'll reveal the gaps we've identified in your current site, but also how the Longtail UX technology can help you turn those gaps into your biggest opportunity. You learn how Lux Smart Pages dramatically increase your ROI for your largest customer acquisition channels, organic search, paid search, and shopping ads. How Lux Smart Links lift your overall site performance for organic search, and how Lux Smart Pages help you actively capture more demand at scale. Proof as to why Google and your customers love them so much. Plus, we'll show you real results from other Longtail UX clients so you can decide for yourself what's possible. If acquiring new customers is important to you, then I invite you to complete the form and book your tailor-made product demo today. See with your own eyes what it looks like to scale your customer acquisition with Longtail UX.